Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install RAR and zip file packing or unpacking app on your Motorola Moto G52. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, start search for an app, enter RAR, hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. From here, we'll need to grant it all file access. Now let's move back. Dismiss this notification and our app will be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.